Hey all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to go about adjusting your time zone on your computer. So sometimes you might get a computer and when you open it up, you notice the time is not set to your location. So the thing I'm going to show you today is how to go ahead and set your time zone automatically, and this is really great for, especially if you're traveling with a laptop and you're going between time zones. This is really useful. Most of the time, if you're on a desktop, you can use this feature for sure, but most of the time you don't need it. You could also just manually set it if you want. So all we're going to do is we're going to right click on our little time here, and we're going to hit adjust date and time. Once you're in here, you're going to see a little option that says set time automatically. So you're going to want to go ahead and turn that on. It's going to use your internet connection to determine where you are actually located and adjust that time based off of that location. You can also, if you want, so it kind of automatically did that. So I can also change it if I want. So I can do Pacific if I want. There we go. So, but yeah, usually it will automatically do that. And then you can also select the option that says adjust for daylight savings time automatically. You can enable that if you do daylight savings. But that is how you can go about automatically having your computer adjust your time based off your location. If you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from the channel and want to support it, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.